Okay, I am going to attempt to melt down some lip products. I've had a lot of people asking me to show you how I like to melt down lip products to combine them, Franken them, whatever you want to do. So I just usually, ooh, that's hot, pick something that's silicone. This is just a like a little cupcake, like reusable silicone thing. I use this. Sometimes I have like some of the silicone egg poacher ones that I will use. This just has a flat surface, so it goes a little bit faster. But I'm going to be melting down this lip balm right here because I've been saying I was going to do it for a long time and I haven't done it. So basically what I do is I put everything on a candle warmer and just kind of put it in there. It melts together, and then I will pour it into one of these tubes. So let's get this one out of the way first. It should melt down fairly quick because it is a soft formula. As you can see, this is melting very, very quickly. This is not going to fill up a whole tube, so I have two tubes here. One, this was a Franken from before. It is completely rolled up, and I purposely left the base so that when I melt other stuff, there's more that will fit in besides just the base area, because it's kind of hard to use just out of the base. So I will pull this out and let that melt in. And that's going to make it a tinted lip balm. And then I have another lip balm that I just recently finished. It just has the base in it. It's sheer, what little you can get out of it, but it'll just help to make this a more sheer product once it is done, if I don't want it too tinted. And this is the container that I will end up pouring back into. You want to get as much out of here as possible because this is where you're going to pour back into, and you want to have that base so it all holds together and doesn't just pull out or fall out. So that's what you want to do. Then I'm going to clean this one up while this continues to melt, and then we will pour it. It looks like it is completely melted, so I am going to turn off my candle warmer. I'm going to twist this all the way back down. There is still just a little bit in there that I couldn't get out, but I did clean up around this edge. So let me just get this pushed down, and we will pour the product in. Be forewarned, this is going to be extremely hot, so if you are very heat sensitive, you might want to use like an oven mitt or something like that. I am only mildly heat sensitive, so I don't think this is going to bother me a whole lot. So I think we'll be able to just do this freehand. I literally just take it like this and pour it in. Didn't quite go all the way to the top, but that's okay. It's pretty close, and you just let this sit for a while, usually 30 minutes, and it is good to go. And that is everything. It's not very exciting. It's not very hard to do. Yes, there's a little bit of residual in here. I'm actually going to be making some other tinted lip balms today, so I'm just going to put it right back in here and you know, let that little bit mix in, and then whatever residual is left, I will use my lip brush to use that on my lips. And then I will wash it. So I try to get as much product out of there as I can with the lip brush. So that's what I'll be using over the next few days. And then, yeah, I wash it just like I would any other product or any other container. So that is that. It's not very exciting, I know, but a lot of people have asked about it. But you can already see it starting to set up a little bit right here. Notice if you put extremely hot wax or anything like that in their lip products, they will kind of be concave in the center, and that is just the heat and the way it cools. So when you roll it up, the edges will be a little bit higher than the center. That is completely normal, again, because of the heat difference in here and how it cools. So that is the whole very exciting melting of lip products. And if you have any questions, just leave them down in the comment section and I will try to get back to you on those. But there it is. I finally melted down some lip products for you. I've got some more to get done today, so let me know if you want to see any other ones in the future, and I will probably be using this tonight before I go to bed. All right, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.